Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr., and this is going to be a very short and simple video. Um, while looking through different sites to host different kinds of files, I stumbled upon filehosting.org, and they've actually been around for a while, and I just totally forgot about them. And obviously, you can use applications and programs like Google Drive and so forth to upload files, whatever you want, and and share them with people or just keep them to yourselves. And obviously, you have to have an account in order to do that. This is just kind of a cool, different alternative where you can upload any file that you want, and it doesn't matter what size the file is. And from there, what they do after you have uploaded the file, and the file can be as big as you want. It could literally be a terabyte file. So after you've actually uploaded the file, they send you a link to your email on where to download it, and from there, you can share that link with anybody that you want. So the biggest difference here is that with filehosting.org is there's no you can't create an account, you can't log in or anything like that. So it's very self-explanatory, but obviously you choose your file. It doesn't matter what kind of file it is. It can be a .zip, it can be an image, it can be a video, whatever the case may be, whatever you want. And you upload that single file, and like I said, you get the link in your email, and then you can share that link with whoever you want. You can put it on your website. You can do whatever you want with it. So, and obviously somebody clicks on the link and then they get the download link sent to their email address. But I like this because it's just a quick solution where you don't have to sign up for anything, and it's completely free. And so, theoretically, you could have terabytes beyond terabytes of different files that you have uploaded here, and that, for whatever reason, you don't want to put it on a service like Google Drive. You just want to have it here and then just share it with, specific people and whatnot. So, obviously, use this appropriately. Don't do anything that would cause you any, like legal problems down the line. Use this accordingly. So, if for whatever reason, let's say you ran out of space on Google Drive and you needed to share a file with somebody and you can't email it to them because it's too large, this is an excellent alternative where you just choose your file. Like I said, the file could be 10 terabytes, it doesn't matter. And then, like I said, type in your email address. They send you the link to your email address, and then while it is uploading, at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, it gives you a percentage bar, and then it'll tell you when it's done, and that's when you receive the email with the link to download the file, and then you just send that link to whoever it is. So, and there's no ads, there's no pop-ups, nothing. So it's just you just get the link, you download the file, and that's it. And you can share it with as many people as you want. And let's just say for whatever reason you don't want that file on this site anymore, make sure you keep that email, because within that email is the option to delete that file from their server. So, but yeah, just a very free, very simple alternative to file hosting. So, like I said, doesn't matter what kind of file it is, and you don't need to sign up. So, like I said, for whatever reason, you can go on your phone, you can go on your computer, your laptop, just go to filehosting.org and choose whatever file you desire that you want to share with people, and they send it to your email, and then you share the link from there. It's really that simple. So, yeah, you can definitely find appropriate ways to use this. Make sure you read the terms of service and privacy terms, but like it even says up on the top right hand corner, no sign up required, no size limits, unlimited uploads, and unlimited downloads. So, as long as you keep track of them, I'd say the best option is to, once you receive the email with the link, you just put it in a folder where you can have this all organized. So, just make a folder called file hosting and put your emails in there. So down the line, you can, if you want to delete them, you can, or if you just want to go back and find that file that you want to share with somebody else, you can do that as well. So, yeah, like I said, this is, just long story short, I had a file that was 20 gigabytes, and I didn't have that much storage. I didn't have that storage left on my Google Drive. So, looking around, I found this. I uploaded a 20 gigabyte file, and it didn't take that long, to be honest with you. And and then from there, I was able to share it with somebody else. But yeah, this is a completely legal service. Just use it appropriately and you'll be totally fine. So that's it. Check out filehosting.org, and that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this helps you out in some way, shape, or form, when you do need to use this for whatever reason. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.